Hey guys, welcome back. Super excited today's video. We are doing a DIY hot cocoa station and everything is from the dollar store. This video is a collab with so many of my favorite YouTubers. It's actually a Tablescape collab, so I can't wait to see the beautiful things that they create. I'm gonna put a link down below to the playlist, which has all of their videos. I'm starting with a little DIY tiered tray that I have. I'm gonna put the link of how I made that, and I'm adding some grocery store little mugs. Are they owls or penguins? I thought they were penguins, but then someone else thought they were owls, so put in the comments below. And in the teapot, I'm filling it with hot cocoa powder. I found a charger at the dollar store and a lot of dollar store jars, so I'm using the big one for mini marshmallows. This cute little mason jar is the perfect size to store candy canes, which make amazing stir sticks. Definitely add a little sprig or some berries in the top just to make it a little bit more decorative, but you can still access the candy canes. I found 2 of these glasses from the dollar store, and I'm using one for caramels. There is nothing better than dropping a caramel in the bottom of your hot chocolate. It's gooey, it's amazing, and peppermint patties are also perfect in the bottom of a hot chocolate. Adding a couple of sprinkles that can go on top of whipped cream or in the bottom just for some added flavor. And now my kids have an adorable little hot cocoa station. This printable I made for you guys, I'm going to put down in the link below. You can just add it to a dollar store frame and then dress your little hot cocoa station up with some dollar store sprigs, just so it doesn't look like, I don't know, there's a bunch of clutter on your counter. You guys, I love the way this turned out, and almost everything is from the dollar store. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to, and then we add the hot water. 'Cause I missed you so. Letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hey,
oh my god, should we take one more box? Just do this. One for me.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to make a little DIY hot cocoa station in your house, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So many of you have asked for a weight loss update. Joe has hidden the scale because I was obsessive. Every day I was weighing myself and then crying because it wasn't going down, and I was like, poor me, my life is horrible, full drama queen. So he hid it. I don't know where it is, and I'm so much happier for not having it. So I can't tell you how much I've lost. I can tell you I have less of a double chin. My butt's more of like a pancake now, still wide but very flat, which is lovely. I can zip my boots and I have space in my calves, but all my pants fit exactly the same. So there's things going on. I went from eating 2 tablespoons of yogurt to 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Deliciousness. So there's things are happening. I just can't give you concrete numbers. But hopefully my 1 chin instead of 4 is an indication that things are going well. Also, that means, speaking of 4, my 4, which is a 5 head, my daughter calls it, is more pronounced. So I see bangs in my future. See you guys next time.